Hi, this is John from Premiere Pro Classes, and today's tutorial is about how to add another camera angle to your existing multicam clip in Premiere Pro. Let me show you how. So here I made a random multi-clip and it has two angles in it. And you can see those angles if I open up my angle viewer here. So here are the two angles. And now I want to add another angle to this multi-clip because somebody gave me some footage a few days later. And let's say I did some cutting in here and I don't really want to recut anything. I want to add the angle. So on the Mac, you can do it two ways. If you hold down the Command key and double click on the multi-clip sequence, that will open up into the actual multicam clip. Another way to do it is if you right click the multicam clip and say open in timeline, which is at the bottom here. That's going to do the same thing as open up the multicam clip. So now I have some iPhone footage here, and let's say I want to add this as a third shot because it was part of the interview. So I add that in, but it's not sunk up yet because I just randomly put it in the beginning. So what I'm going to do is highlight these two clips because this has the monitoring audio in it, and I'm going to go to clip on the top menu and say synchronize. So I want it synchronized by the audio track 1, and I hit OK, and it's going to analyze the audio in both those clips and move that clip to where it should be on the timeline. So now it is in sync. And if I go back to my multi-clip timeline, I can see I have that third angle there now. So that's one way to add a multi-clip and get it in sync. You could also do it manually. So here again, if I open up the multicam clip and I'll say open in timeline, I could just grab some footage here and sync it up manually. So here, if I grab a clip here, I could just move it around and sync it up manually, and that will also work with a multicam. If I go back to my sequence, that's going to be there, and there it is. So you're going to have black spots if you have no clip for that angle. It's going to turn black on you, but as soon as it hits the angle, you'll see the clip in the angle viewer. Anyway, I hope it helps some people understand adding a multi-clip to an existing multicam sequence. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe or like, and see you next time.